Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Salesforce to Gmail in 2024. Integrating Salesforce with Gmail can significantly improve your productivity by allowing you to manage your emails, your contacts, and also your calendar directly within Salesforce. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to integrate it with each other. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. Once you do so, or first we will need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. And of course, we will need to go and open both our Gmail and Salesforce. So go to this URL section, type salesforce.com and open a new tab and go to Gmail or gmail.com. So make sure to be logged in into both accounts. Of course, if you have a question in language here, you can simply just go and select here all other countries and the language should be changed. So make sure, as we said, to go and log in or create an account. So for me, as an example, I'll just go here and create an account on Salesforce. And for Gmail, as you can see, I already have an account ready. So if I go here, start your free trial. So I'll have to fill up my information as an example. And like that, as example. So, okay, Y capital. Here I'll just add student as example and job title, next phone. So something like this, email. I'll just enter my Gmail right away. That already will initiate a connection between the two of them. If you want to just do it that way, create a new account using your Gmail so it can be connected to each other right away. Or you can simply use the add-in as I'm going to tell you about. So company, example, I'll just name it like Gmail because I'm connecting to Gmail. Language, English. Of course, you can choose multiple languages here, whatever you want other than English. So as you can see, you have multiple language choices, Japanese, Spanish, whatever you want. Then click on start my free trial. So, and yeah, I don't know why it's not clicking. Let's even just accept this. Of course, you'd like to accept like the main service agreements first of all, and read it all. It's very important, especially if you want to know like what they're doing with your information, etc. And here, if you want to check this option, if you check it, of course, you'll receive some marketing communication regarding Salesforce products as emails, services, and events. And of course, you can unsubscribe at any time. And your free trial may be provisioned, of course, on or migrated to Hyperforce Salesforce public cloud infrastructure. As you see, by registering, you agree to the processing of your personal data by Salesforce as described in the privacy statements. Of course, you can also read it out again. So privacy statements seems like different. So then, of course, click on start my free trial. I don't know for me why it's not loading. So once you fill up those information, it should like load. So, okay, for you, just go and click on it to create an account. And of course, you will have to do the same on Gmail. So let's say example, it's your first time on Gmail. So you basically have to go and log in into an account. If you don't have an account, you can click on create a new account, of course, personal use, and simply go through this as example and create your account as simple as that. Then you should be logged in into an account like this. So now, once you have both, you will need, of course, to install the Salesforce add-on for Gmail. Once you open your Gmail as example, you can simply, of course, like if you're on your phone or something like that, you can also like open your Gmail or you can basically go to the workspace marketplace as example. So you can, if you are on the phone, you'll find like a button for workspace like marketplace. If you're on like web, right here, just go here and workspace markets like place, as simple as that. So yeah, download business apps and marketplace for Google Marketplace. And here, of course, basically you'll have to look for Salesforce as an example. And yeah, here's it, Salesforce connector. So you'll be able to import, report, or custom data queries from Salesforce into Google Sheets, as an example, and make changes to Salesforce directly from Google Sheet. This is for works with Google Sheets and like Google Docs, but we want one for Gmail as example. So Salesforce with the Gmail as example. So yeah, as you can see, so yeah, it works with Drive, Gmail, and Calendar. So that's what we want. As you can see, Salesforce connector for Gmail. So this will integrate your Gmail, Google Calendar, and Salesforce CRM. And one easy step with virtual, nothing of course to install. As you can see, no full mobile on your phone. As you can see, you can install it on your mobile. If you click on install, as you can see, Salesforce connector for Gmail needs permission in order to install. Click on continue and give it the permissions. Of course, you'll allow choose my accounts to connect into it. Click on continue, and as you can see, it will give it all those like permissions. So if you agree to all of it, click on allow, and yeah, you should be good to go. As you can see, Salesforce connector for Gmail has been installed. Click on done. And if you go to your Gmail, of course, and refresh this, you should normally find it here. As you can see, yeah, as you can see, Salesforce connector. Now, Gmail and Salesforce are connected. Of course, if you want to add any other connectors, you can simply click on the plus button and look for Google Marketplace or here, Workspace Marketplace. And as I said, for the phone, it's going to be the same thing. You can simply find this plus button within your applications, click on it and look for the same. You will have to look for Sale or Salesforce as an example for Gmail. Of course, Gmail not like that, and simply look for it and you'll find it like the Salesforce connector for Gmail. So of course you can look for other thing, maybe as example other app. If it's working for you, you'll have just to read maybe the description of it. So as example this, it will send personalized emails to you with your Gmail. This is not will not connect like Salesforce. So yeah, as I said, it's up to you to choose whatever like app you want, but it seems like this is the only one. As you can see, a lot of downloads, positive reviews. You can see the reviews of other people, a lot of downloads, like over 150 or 160k downloads. And as you can see additional information is here. So as you can see, free of charge trial, so you don't have to pay or something like that. And yeah, it's actually very useful. Now you can do a lot of stuff. As example, you can simply just to connect your Salesforce, enter your Salesforce login URL here, then click on continue. And of course, once you connect it, basically once you click on continue, it will be connected right away. So you can simply just click on connect to Salesforce, enter your information here. If you already logged in, you will not find yourself here. You'll basically find an allow option, click on it, and it should be connected. Once it's connected, the connection between the two will be already done, and you can start like doing syncing emails and calendar events, like customizing sync settings, troubleshooting some custom issues, and do a lot of other stuff. So there you have it. You successfully connected Salesforce to Gmail. This integration will help you manage your email, contracts, and calendar more efficiently. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.